Welcome to our demonstration of the advanced 3-in-1 packaging machine. This machine is perfect for precision manufacturing and packaging applications, and is designed to deliver accurate and consistent results every time. Let's take a closer look at the key features of this machine. The filling portion of the machine utilizes dual peristaltic pumps to ensure accurate and consistent filling of each bottle. Peristaltic pumps are ideal for precise liquid dispensing, as they use a squeezing motion to move the liquid through a flexible tube without any contact with the pump mechanism. This helps to prevent contamination and minimize waste. The capping station features a high-precision closed cam splitter, which ensures that each lid and inner cap is precisely positioned and inserted into the bottle with minimal room for error. And the sealing station ensures secure and efficient sealing of each bottle with the help of a servo motor.